Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus 5G. First, what you guys want to do is go over and check the volume levels in the settings. So this is the most important part. We're gonna simply go over into the settings, and here in the settings, what we want to do is we want to scroll down to sound and vibration. Here we want to make sure that media volume is turned up and it says maximum volume for 100%, so we can boost the volume up. And of course, now what are we going to do next is clean the speaker grill with a soft brush. So we got the speaker grill, one is at the top and of course there's one at the bottom, and we want to clean them. This is very important. And of course, after cleaning it, what are we going to do is we're going to go and simply disable our Bluetooth to make sure that audio is not being rerouted anywhere else. What are we going to do is we're going to go to Bluetooth, and of course, if it's enabled for you, then make sure to disable it. Make sure that the switch is gray and white and not blue and white. What are we going to do next is we're going to restart our phone to refresh the system. So press the power button, volume up button, and now swipe down to reboot. So now the device is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. After the restart, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and simply update our software to fix any issues. So let's go to the settings. Now here we want to go to About Phone, and now click on the HyperOS. We want to make sure that we are on the latest version of the software. As you guys can see, for me, I got no updates available. And that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.